stuff. And I think it's important to acknowledge the good stuff as we get into the things that we did wrong. Because I think there are some people who are quick to dismiss criticism of the vaccine in any form as sort of a blanket sort of anti-vaccine sentiment, as you articulated. Now, what are the things we got wrong? I mean, just a short list. One, the rhetoric around whether or not the vaccine could halt transmission was incorrect and misleading. Number two, in the randomized controlled trials that led to vaccine approval, we could have explicitly tested whether or not the vaccine slowed or halted transmission. We did not do so. Number three, we started really well with older, unimmune people, but we quickly made the mistake of extrapolating our vaccine advice to people who had already had and recovered from COVID-19, an extrapolation that lacked evidence, an extrapolation that sort of ran counter to a longstanding medical tradition of thinking that having had and recovered from a disease does confer some sort of durable immunity, particularly against the severe manifestations of that disease. So we extrapolated that advice incorrectly. Number four, we pushed this in younger and younger populations, often using the brute force of the state and the schools to mandate this, even into populations where the risk and benefit balance were more tenuous and uncertain. Number five, we started to discover safety signals. In other words, there were harms of this vaccine. The governments were reluctant to admit those harms.